Hey! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 2T, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. Firstly, locate Sound Recorder app and click on it. Now you need to select Allow in the pop-ups, but I already did that, so I can click on this blue button right away to start my recording. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, click on the same button. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one. And in order to end it and save it, click on the right one. Now you can delete your recording right away by choosing Delete, or you can end it and save it by clicking on this button, naming it however you wish to, and choosing Save. As you can see, mine is over here. If you wish to play it, just click on it.
You can end it and
if you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it, select Delete icon at the bottom in the middle, and choose Delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!